Bus servos are great. They can be chained with fewer wires, take up fewer GPIO outputs and give feedback on motion. They need driver modules though, or do they? I've been taking a little look and surprised at what I can achieve. Let me tell you all about it. This is my 3-minute summary video. If you have time, why not check out the full video? I've used High Wonder servos on a few of my projects and some of their kits too. You maybe remember my X-arm, which I adapted to ROS2 and drove through a Raspberry Pi Pico 2. Bus servos generally use a driver board, which converts UART into the half-duplex comms on the control pin. So this provides more capability than we would get with the PWM we use to control a traditional server. We can not only give the server more complex commands like angle and speed, but also read back position, voltage and temperature. Best of all, the servos can be chained, so less wires back to our microcontroller. What is this driver board doing? And can we replace it? Well, the server comms are 5 volts and buffered using a 74126 chip. And that's used to disconnect the TX and RX signals when they're not in use. I've not copied this High Wonder design, but tried to use the capabilities natively on the Pico. We need UART output from the Pico on GP20 and GP21, and I'll connect a diode between these to protect the transmit pin. I could now read data back from the transmit. I will level shift this though through a bidirectional level shifter to 5 volts. Then pull up that signal to 5 volts with a 10K resistor. This gives me the electronics, but not entirely the buffer control that I think are in High Wonder's design. My experiments to do this are here, and it addresses the 2 design challenges of buffering and protocol. To buffer, I'm going to use the GPIO set function command to switch in and out the UART capability. I can place this around the write and read commands. The write does need to make sure that the FIFO is emptied before setting the function to null. The read does need to have a timeout to recover from any comms issues. Using this approach, I can drive 2 servos in parallel easily, plus read back data from the servos. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.